Halika na mga pare, tara magsaya. Inuman na, di na ba ni may maaksaya? Dapat basagan hanggang umaga. Cheers at tsaka magambagan kapag wala ng beer. Kapag gato ang buhay at simple lang, ito'y nagpapatunay na di imposible ang mabuhay na nakangiti kahit wala ng pera. Para bang kapayapaan sa gitna ng gera. Limutin na problema sa tunog ng gitara. Huwag intindihin kapag wala naman ang pitaka. Hindi naman kailangan na magarang damit, basta maayos ang itsura kahit parang gamit na ulit. Kahit sabihin nilang peke yan, walang problema sa telepono na second hand. Huwag ka mag-alala talaga, tara na. Just keep it simple every day para lang iyong malaman na.
It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about a oh, cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about a yeah, but bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag.
Seems like everybody's got a price. I wonder how they sleep at night. When the silk comes first and the truth comes second, just stop for a minute and smile. Why is everybody so serious? Acting so damn mysterious. You got your shades on your eyes and your heels so high that you can't even have a good time. Everybody look to the left, everybody look to the right. Can you feel that? Yeah, we'll pay them with love tonight.
It's not about the money, money, money. We don't need your money, money, money. We just wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag. Ain't about a cha-ching, cha-ching. Ain't about a yeah, but bling, wanna make the world dance. Forget about the price tag.
Yo, let's kill the complexity, release the stress, and believe we have the power. Living here is a blessing on this earth that is beautiful and full of life. Let's lay back, chill and kick it, keep it cool, alright. Just ain't nothing better than this atmosphere where everybody's all good, relaxed with no fear. What you hear is good conversations all night, plus music equals good vibes, am I right? Kaya itigil mo na yung pag-iisip-isip at imulat ang mga mata na pipikit-pikit. Kinabukasan di tiyak kahit may butas o biyak, may solusyon para rin lahat. Kaya ang ulo'y iangat at itapat kung saan bumabangon ng araw. Kahit may kabigatan, lahat ng problema'y mababaw. Tumayo ka ng diretso at ibayan ng loob. Kahit ganun pa yung kalalim, ding hindi ka lulubog sapagkat
ang buhay simple lang. Huwag mo nang isipin ang di mo maintindihan. Tumawa, sige lang, masaya na sine ang buhay mo pag simple lang.
Okay na, girl?